Bathrooms and kitchens are two of the most moisture-prone areas in any home. Steam from showers, cooking odors, and excess humidity can quickly build up if ventilation isn't handled properly. For homeowners in Washington, awning windows offer a practical and efficient way to improve airflow in these essential spaces while maintaining comfort and usability. Their smart design makes them especially well-suited for areas where controlled ventilation matters most. Why ventilation is critical in bathrooms and kitchens. Moisture and stale air can linger in bathrooms and kitchens long after daily use. Without proper ventilation, this can lead to uncomfortable conditions and reduced indoor air quality. In Washington homes, effective ventilation helps keep these spaces feeling fresh and comfortable. Awning windows support this by allowing air to move out while drawing fresh air in, reducing trapped humidity and odors. How awning windows are designed for controlled airflow. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows them to capture airflow even when opened slightly. For Washington homeowners, this means precise control over ventilation. Awning windows can be opened just enough to release moisture without fully exposing the room to outside elements, making them ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. Ventilating bathrooms without compromising privacy. Bathrooms require ventilation, but privacy is always a concern. Awning windows are often installed higher on the wall, allowing airflow while limiting visibility. In Washington bathrooms, this placement allows steam to escape efficiently while maintaining privacy. Homeowners can enjoy fresh air without relying solely on mechanical ventilation. Reducing steam and humidity after showers. Steam buildup after showers can make bathrooms feel stuffy and uncomfortable. Awning windows help release warm, moist air quickly. Washington homeowners often notice that bathrooms with awning windows dry out faster, reducing lingering humidity and improving overall comfort after use. Improving airflow in kitchens during cooking. Cooking produces heat, steam, and strong odors that can spread throughout the home if not properly vented. Awning windows help kitchens release this air efficiently. In Washington kitchens, opening an awning window during or after cooking allows heat and odors to escape without creating strong drafts. This keeps the kitchen more comfortable and pleasant to use. Supporting ventilation in tight or limited spaces. Bathrooms and kitchens often have limited wall space or specific layout constraints. Awning windows fit well in compact areas where other window styles may not work. For Washington homes, this flexibility makes awning windows a practical solution for improving airflow without disrupting cabinetry, fixtures, or appliances. Allowing ventilation during light weather changes. Because awning windows open outward from the bottom, they can provide ventilation even when conditions outside aren't perfect. Washington homeowners appreciate that awning windows allow fresh air to circulate without fully opening the window. This controlled ventilation supports comfort in everyday use. Enhancing indoor comfort without overcomplicating design. Awning windows offer ventilation without complex operation. Their simple opening mechanism makes them easy to use in high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. In Washington homes, this ease of use encourages regular ventilation, helping maintain fresher indoor air throughout the day. Supporting healthier indoor air. Consistent ventilation helps remove moisture and stale air, contributing to a more comfortable indoor environment. For Washington homeowners, awning windows support healthier air in the spaces that need it most, without relying entirely on fans or additional systems. A practical upgrade for everyday living. Awning windows combine smart design with everyday functionality. Their ability to improve airflow in bathrooms and kitchens makes them a valuable addition to many homes. For homeowners in Washington, awning windows offer an effective way to manage moisture, improve ventilation, and enhance comfort in essential living spaces, making daily routines feel fresher and more enjoyable.